Emma.
I'm Holly.
And today we're going to show you how to make really easy flatbreads. These are delicious and can be eaten with soup.
On their own.
Wherever you like, whatever you like. They can go in packed lunches. First of all, we're going to take a cup of self-raising flour. And pop that in the bowl. And then we're going to take 3 tablespoons, they're the big ones, of plain yoghurt.
1, 2, 3.
Right, I'm going to give that a mix. So what you ideally want is it to become a batter or a dough. If it doesn't look like there's enough yoghurt in there, you can add some more. And again, if it doesn't look like if it looks too wet, you can add some more flour. Have a go. You might need to add a little bit more yoghurt to that. Give it a good mix. Obviously we've washed our hands first, haven't we, Holly?
Yep.
Tied our hair back. Got our aprons on. Right, once it's starting to look a bit like that, we're going to get our hands in. I'll have a go first, shall I?
Yeah.
Just to bring it all together. If it's not looking like this, if it's looking too wet, add some more flour. If it's looking too dry, add some more yoghurt. We're now going to knead it for a couple of minutes. If your hands get a bit sticky, grab a bit of flour. Once it looks a bit like that, we're going to put our frying pan on. I'm going to take our dough.
We are going to spread out a bit.
Yeah. Now they need to just look rough and ready. This is probably better for an adult to do. Ollie's going to get me a spatula or something to turn it. It just needs a couple of minutes on each side. Okay, once they start to look brown, you just turn them over and then cook the other side. And other things you can do with this is actually it makes quite a good pizza dough base as well, so you can always top them and make your own pizzas. Or as you can see, they're fluffing up, so you can actually cut them in half and fill them, a bit like a pita bread. They're so easy and they only take 10 minutes to make. You can make them bigger if you want. We like the little small ones because I've got little ones at home. Right, and once they're done, just take it off the heat, leave them a few minutes, and here they are, our finished flatbreads. Absolutely delicious, aren't they?
Delicious.
Enjoy!